I wanted to show you how to make up assignments and to find your grade and to do overdue assignments. So if I go to my class homepage, it brings me to this. This is for Math 2. I'm Mrs. Joham, and this is our course page. So automatically you can see what your grade is. You can see that your grade is right here. Don't worry about the progress in the class, and you can also see overdue assignments. The best way to find missing assignments is to click right here on grades, and it will automatically pull up your grades. It'll have your points, how many it's out of in the course, and it will have your letter grade. So what you do is you look down right here, and I see that there's a 0 for this assignment. This means that it's a missing assignment. I do not have any score for you. I go ahead and I put in zeros when assignments are overdue. So I would look and I would see this is assignment 1.01. And I would look at assignment 1.01 right here. This is going to be your quiz. And then I would look at this right here. This is your golden ticket. This is the recording for the class. This is going to help you know exactly what to do. It's going to teach you the lesson. It's going to go through the assignment. It's going to be awesome. Let's say you have done the assignment, but you don't like your score on it. This is your score right here out of how many, and you can see the grade on this is an F. So you can go ahead and redo the assignment. Most assignments have 3 attempts on them. You would find the assignment here, and then you find the associated recordings right here. Okay, guys, this is how you make up missing assignments. See you in class.